Hi, it's Amy and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a leopard print pattern with a little bit of a twist. Enjoy! So this one we're going to do a leopard print style, but we're going to do it a little bit different. So we're going to start with a nice nude colour for our base colour, which is nude pink Shy Time. It's my favourite nude. Cut that free edge and pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Going with the second coat of Shy Time down the side walls. Capping that free edge and pop that in the lamp for another 30 seconds to cure. So once that's come out, we're going to take the sticky layer off with some gel residue wipe off solution, and we're going to use for our leopard spots Pitch Purple, the Doctor and Strawberry Bellini, which is a nice pink colour, blue and purple. Pop them on a palette, and again with our 001 brush, it's going to load up a colour and make some random leopard print spots. And then once we're happy with those, we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. Then we're going in with Serious Black. Again, pop some on a palette or a form, load up the same brush, the 001, and then we just have to create those distinct leopard print patterns. Nice and simple. And then in between, where there's a little bit of space, just do some little black marks as the wood on a leopard's fur. And then when you're happy with that, pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then when that's come out of the lamp, we go back in with the top coat from Urban Graffiti, and we go down the side walls, and remembering to cap the free edge. Any on the skin, we take it off. Pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we finish with the pink pineapple cuticle oil, as always, to rehydrate the skin. And there you have it, a really super simple leopard print pattern with a couple of colours from our Urban Graffiti range. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel. As always, the products will be listed below in the description box, and leave us a comment. Thank you, bye!